Hello everyone, Allison Shaw speaking. As a fitness instructor and wellness coach, I'm thrilled to introduce you to Meditation Success Stories, a collection of authentic narratives sourced from online platforms and refined for both grammatical precision and auditory clarity. These stories aim to captivate and inspire. Here is one of these stimulating gems, so without further ado, let's dive in.
Here's some insight on Samuel Chang's experience with meditation. I wanted to share a positive experience I had with meditation, especially since I learned about it here on Reddit. I've been interested in meditation for a few years, but like many, I struggled to stick with it consistently. Although I would attempt to meditate daily a couple of times a year, I never really felt its effects. However, last October marked a turning point for me. I was going through a tough breakup and anticipating the onset of winter, which tends to exacerbate my seasonal depression. Desperate for an alternative to medication or therapy, I decided to challenge myself to meditate every day for 30 days in October, regardless of the session's length. By the end of the month, I had worked up to 15 minutes a day, incorporating the noting and breathing techniques recommended in the subreddit's sidebar, which I highly recommend. I continued this routine through November, December, and January, and now I meditate for 2 sessions of 15 to 20 minutes each day. And finally, I'm starting to see changes. I recently realized that this winter has been the most mentally stable period I've experienced. As a college student, I find it easier to concentrate on my studies throughout the day. I'm more attuned to my own thoughts and emotions and how they impact my interactions with others. While I'm still healing from the breakup and dealing with insomnia, I'm also making progress. Overall, I feel more capable and effective. I eagerly anticipate my daily meditation sessions, knowing they contribute to my ongoing improvement. I wanted to share this because I often see posts on this subreddit from people seeking help or wondering why meditation isn't working for them. While I can't offer any groundbreaking advice, I can attest to what the experts say. Consistency in practice is key. Thanks for watching.
Hello again, it's Allison. I trust you found that meditation success story engaging. My own journey mirrors many of the transformative experiences shared. Just like me, you possess the power to revolutionize your life through meditation. Personal miracles await those committed to a daily meditation practice. That's guaranteed. If you're seeking significant change in your life, I urge you to explore meditation with the guidance of a coach. In the description below, you'll discover a link to one of the world's top meditation teachers, Giovanni Dienstmann, who ranks among the top 5 globally. He generously offers free introductory lessons accessible through the provided link. If you found this message resonant, show your support by liking, commenting, or sharing your thoughts below. Wishing you the best on your journey, and thank you for your time.